How's it going, everyone? Today I made an art program, kinda. I would compare it to the magical Windows XP Paint, but nonetheless, I was able to make a program that you can draw in. What I was able to do is make a 16 pixel grid on a canvas with 8 colors to choose from. I wanted the primary colors to work with, like red, yellow, and blue. Then I added some colors I would use in other art programs. I would add more, but as you will see later in the video, it was quite a process. I started by making 3 base tiles, 2 white tiles, and a black. The first white tile would be the canvas, and the other white tile would be for the color palette. The black is also added to the color palette as the first starter color. Using 2 mouse sensors and a replace mesh actuator, this will allow us to make a chain of colors to swap between later. Something very important for this project is to name everything: sensors, meshes, and all the object data. This makes finding everything much easier, especially once you start to add a ton of new colors. I added a new scene to keep everything separate and organized. This also allows me to make messages to send to the new scene properties. I made a palette to switch between different colors in the program. It's a limited system, but it works. For switching colors, I used a property to label all the colors by number and went down the list of colors. I then made it so when I clicked the color on the palette, it would send a message to the canvas of what color was selected. This would then be activated by the mouse over and left click action. After everything was set up, I duplicated the canvas tile to be a 16 tile grid. I found it was the best for performance. I did try a 128 tile grid, and it tanked my PC. I had about 8 frames to work with afterwards. So don't be expecting to make any kind of 4K art projects. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If so, drop a like, it really helps me out. And if you're interested in the rest of my stuff, subscribe for more. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.